Good evening. I'm going to read an email that I sent to the mayor and council members who violated their own decorum policy at the last city council meeting. Mr. Mayor, I watched the unprofessional and illegal actions against the public speaker at the last city council meeting. You did not follow the city council decorum policy and tried to shut down public speakers simply because you did not like what they had to say. Item number 4 of the city decorum policy, public comments. If a member of the public addresses the city council on a matter that is not on the agenda during public comments, the Brown Act does not allow council members to engage in discussion nor deliberation of the matter. That includes the city attorney, who is not a member of the city council but is a city employee. Number 5 of the city council decorum states the city council may not prohibit criticism of the policy, procedures, programs, or services of an agency or its acts or omissions. A speaker may not be stopped from speaking because the presiding officer or members of the city council disagree with the viewpoint being expressed during the city council meeting. The law also states this fact. And finally, Section A, rules for city staff. City staff shall not engage in dialogue with members of the public during city council meetings. City staff shall direct all comments and presentations to the city council or presiding officer only. That means the city attorney, as he is a member of city staff. The city attorney not only violated the decorum policy for city staff, he also violated state law regarding what a public speaker can say or address on the city council during public comments. I would encourage Mrs. Moreno and Mrs. Minnear to proceed with suing the city of Menifee for violating the law and their right to free speech. I wrote the ordinance that was approved for 4 districts and the mayor at large, and the mayor has no more power than any other member on the council. Your only function above the other members of the council is as the chair of city council meetings, and clearly you don't know how to do that. You work for the people of Menifee, not the other way around, and clearly Mrs. Moreno and Mrs. Minnear were bullied by you and the staff at the last city council meeting. Something is seriously wrong in the city of Menifee, with 9 potential lawsuits knocking on the doors at City Hall, with number 10 fast approaching, and the taxpayers of Menifee will pay the price. Menifee is probably only 1 lawsuit away from bankruptcy because of this city council's actions.
Thank you, Ms. Pica. Next speaker.